Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Office 2021 on your computer. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Okay, first thing you need to do is open your browser and then search for Office customization tool. Click enter and then choose the first link from Microsoft. It's going to take you to this page and you need to customize your settings. Select 64-bit. Office suites, you need to select LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. Then scroll down. Leave everything as is, then click next. Select your language. Okay, choose your language. I'm gonna select English, US. And then click next. Installation, you choose CDN. And then scroll down, then click next. Here you need to turn this off. Under upgrade options, turn it off. Then scroll down and click next. Scroll down, click next. Scroll down and then click next. Scroll down again and then click on finish. Then choose export to download this on your computer. Click on export and then choose your file format as XML formats, Office Open XML formats. Then click OK and it's gonna be saved on your computer. Click accept. Accept the terms and then export. Okay, next we need to search for Office deployment tool. Click enter. Select the first link from Microsoft and then click download. Okay, after that you need to locate the two files on your computer. And here we need to create a new folder where we're gonna move these two files. So create a new folder and then name it Office 2021. Office 2021. Select our two files and then we're gonna move them to the new folder. Click cut and then paste. Next, we need to extract the second file, Office deployment tool, and we're gonna run as administrator. Accept the terms and then continue. Here we need to choose our folder, Office 2021, and it's in downloads. Make sure you select the Office 2021 folder. and then click OK. Okay, after that you should go back to the location of our folder. It's in downloads, and we're gonna move this to C drive. So you right click and then cut and paste it in C drive. Okay, after that, open command prompt, execute some commands to finish the installation. So press the Windows key and then type cmd, right click, and then run as administrator. And you need to type this exactly the way you see it on the screen. Type the first line, you press enter, then type the second line and press enter. I've saved this on my notepad, so I'm just gonna copy and paste. Copy the first line and then paste. Enter. Okay, copy the second line. Control plus C to copy, and then Control plus V to paste. And then press enter. And this is gonna install Office on your PC. You can see the installation is finished, and you can click close. And then you can close this. Then close this. But before you do anything, you need to open Excel. So Windows key, and then search for Excel. Excel. It's here. You open it. Click accept. Then click next. And here you need to choose don't send option the data. Then accept. And then click done. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If it helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out.